Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello students of grade 2. How are you today? I hope today you are all fine. Well student, today we are going to discuss on chapter 14 with the title Let's Go to the Posyandu. Well students, before we continue for the lesson, please prepare for your notebook, pencil and others. And here the lesson on chapter 14 for you. And let's discuss it now. Here we go and let's go. Chapter 14. Let's go to the Posyandu. Bab 14. Ayo kita pergi ke Posyandu. On this chapter we are going to learn about prepositions and things in Posyandu. Di bab 14 ini kita akan membahas tentang preposition dan benda-benda di Posyandu. Well students, for more information about this lesson, please pay attention and hear the lesson for you. Here we go. For the verse, we are going to learn the glossary on page 144. Untuk pertama kita akan bahas tentang kosakata terlebih dahulu atau perbendaharaan kosakata. Beside, di samping. Clock, jam dinding. In atau in the, di dalam. Nearest, nearest, terdekat atau paling dekat. On atau on the, di atas atau pada. Scale, scale, timbangan. Society, society, masyarakat. Syringe, syringe, suntikan. Thermometer, thermometer. Under, under, di bawah. Wall, wall, dinding. Weight, weight, berat. Well, please you learn this glossary by yourself and you memorize it. Anak-anak silakan dipelajari dan dihafalkan kosakatanya. Then we continue for the lesson. A. Listening. Listen to and repeat after your teacher. Dengarkan dan ulangi setelah guru kalian. Hello students. Look at the picture. Halo anak semua. Lihatlah gambar tersebut. This is a posyandu. Ini adalah sebuah posyandu. Look all things in the posyandu. Lihatlah semua benda-benda yang ada di posyandu. Okay, this one the picture. The clock is on the wall. The clock is on the wall. Jam dinding ada di dinding. The scale is under the clock. Timbangan tersebut ada di bawah jam dinding. The syringe is in the box. Suntikan atau jarum suntik berada di dalam kotak. The thermometer is beside the phone. Termometer tersebut berada di samping telepon. They are the things in the posyandu. Mereka semua adalah benda-benda yang ada di posyandu. Well, after this we are going to discuss on speaking. Here it is. Be speaking. Work with a partner. Bekerjalah dengan seorang pasangan. Practice the dialogues. Berlatihlah percakapan tersebut. Number 1. A. Where is the clock? Where is the clock? Di mana jam dinding tersebut? B. It is on the wall. Ya, berada di dinding. 2. Where is the scale? Where is the scale? Di mana timbangan tersebut? B. It is under the clock. Ia berada di bawah jam dinding. Number 3. A. Where is the syringe? Where is the syringe? Di mana jarum suntik tersebut? It is in the box. Ia berada di dalam kotak. Number 4. Where is the thermometer? Where is the thermometer? Di mana termometer tersebut? B. It is beside the phone. Ia berada di samping telepon. Di samping telepon, beside. Number 5. A. Where are the things? Where are the things? Where are all the things? Di mana semua benda-benda tersebut? B. They are in the posyandu. Mereka ada di posyandu. Well, students, please you practice this dialogue. You can do it by yourself. Then we continue for the next lesson. C. Reading. Read and understand the text. Bacalah dan pahami teks tersebut. Hi, I am Siti. Hi, I am Siti. Hai, saya Siti. Today I am very happy. Today I am very happy. Hari ini saya sangat bahagia. My mother and my sister go to the posyandu with me. My mother, ibuku, dan saya, saudara perempuanku atau adikku, pergi ke posyandu bersamaku. My sister is 2 years old. Adik perempuanku berumur 2 tahun. The doctor checks my sister weight. Dokter tersebut mengecek timbangan adik saya. My sister's weight is always controlled at the posyandu. Timbangan saudara perempuan saya, timbangan adik saya selalu dikontrol di posyandu. That is why she is healthy and strong. Itulah mengapa dia selalu sehat dan kuat. Look at the things in the posyandu. Lihatlah benda-benda yang ada di dalam posyandu. There is a clock. Ada sebuah jam dinding. It is on the wall. Ia berada di dinding. There is a scale under the clock. Ada sebuah timbangan di bawah jam dinding. There is a syringe in the box. Ada sebuah jarum suntik di dalam kotak. There is a thermometer beside the phone. Ada sebuah termometer berada di samping telepon. Well, students, please you learn this one by yourself. Then you should answer the questions after this. Here it is. Well, student, this one for your duty today. This is for the first duty. Ini tugas pertama. Then answer the following question. Dan jawablah pertanyaan berikut. Why is Siti happy? Why is Siti happy? Kenapa Siti bahagia? Nah, kalian jawab because. Nah, karena bla bla bla. Number 2. Where do Siti and her family go? Where do Siti and her family go? Kemana Siti dan keluarganya pergi? Okay, you got it ya? Paham, yes? Okay, good. Number 3. Where is the clock? Where is the clock? Di mana jam dinding tersebut? Number 4. Where is the syringe? Where is the syringe? Di mana jarum suntik tersebut? Number 5. What is beside the phone? What is beside the phone? Apa yang ada di samping telepon? Well, class, you got it? Nah, anak-anak, ditulis soalnya dan jawabannya di buku kalian. After this, we'll continue for the next lesson or for the second duty. Here it is. Well class, now this one only for discussion. Ini cukup kita diskusikan aja ya. Oke, pay attention on page 141, halaman 141. There are books in the bookshelf. There are ada buku-buku di dalam lemari buku. You can find out the picture. Ini untuk memasangkan ya, tapi cukup kita bahas saja anak-anak ya. Oke. Next this one, there is a pencil on the paper. There is a pencil on the paper. Ada sebuah pensil berada di atas kertas. Oke, you can find out, bisa dicari. Then the balls are in the net. The balls are in the net. Bola-bola tersebut ada di net atau di jaring. There is a toothpaste beside the toothpaste. Sorry, there is a toothbrush beside the toothpaste. Ada sebuah sikat gigi di samping pasta gigi atau odol. Next, this one, the shoes are under the chair. The shoes are under the chair. Sepatu tersebut berada di bawah kursi. Well class, this one for our learning today. Jadi anak hari ini cukup punya satu tugas, yaitu dari reading. Thanks for watching, thanks for your attention. See you next time. God bless you always and please keep stay healthy. See you and bye-bye. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.